Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. Today I will introduce the new Plus Series SW-0231 for you guys. Let's talk about the new SW-0231 Plus. This servo is fully waterproof, so you can see the laser print here is an IP67. So there is already passed for the IP67. And also, he's accept for the somewhat SSR mode. So you can use the SSR mode to control this servo. And the difference is we upgrade the new Plus 0231 is a high voltage. So this servo can use in 7.4 volt. Then you can get the torque is 25 kilogram. Compared to before, I think it's at least 30% up on the torque. And the speed will be 0.15. So if you are interested in this servo, you can contact with our distributor. Oh, by the way, we also increase the length for the cable, so you can fit with your tracer's car very easily. So right now the cable length will be 45 centimeters. If you have any question on this servo, please contact with us. Thank you.